April 30, 2026, Thursday. The founders of the club. God treats everyone equally, for he accepts all who fear him and do what is right. Acts chapter 10, verse 34. When Pastor Peixoto was appointed principal of the school, a certain group of students formed the Cultural Club. The principal thought this initiative was a good idea, and the faculty approved the formation of the club. However, its founder was a self-centered individual who worshipped his own ego. He held at a high social standard, possessed a good education, and was good looking. There were no specific requirements for becoming a member of that club, yet one thing was certain: poor students were not accepted. Fortunately, this club did not last very long. The formation of castes, groups of segregated individuals, originated with Lucifer in heaven. It was he who founded the club of pride and self-exaltation, letting one-third of the angels into his fold. God had called Abraham to be the blessing to all peoples of the earth. However, the people of Israel isolate themselves, considering themselves superior to all others. This isolation reached such an extreme that the Jewish would not enter, much less eat, in the home of a Gentile. Acts 10:28. There was also a club of the Sadducees and the Pharisees, the two factions that most strongly opposed Jesus' mission to tear down the wall of separation and save all those who would accept him. This does not mean that associations or clubs cannot exist. However, it is not God's will that human beings unite in groups only to isolate others. We must follow the example that Jesus has set it for us. Today I may talk with someone that you are a student in your classroom or you are a worker in your work environment. Be the bridge. Be those that welcome others that are arriving. Be those that will transpose this gap between the old people and the senior people and the new ones. And made through you, I hope you will have unity wherever you are. May God bless you today.